Okay. Welcome students. Day 9. Today we start the topic relation of chapter 2nd. Yesterday we discussed about the ordered pair and then the Cartesian product. You should be clear about the Cartesian product because relations and functions will be related with the Cartesian product of the two sets. So first of all, you should be very much clear about the Cartesian product of the two sets. Now, today we start a relation. What is a relation? A relation R, that will be written by capital R, from a non-empty set A to the non-empty set B is the subset of the Cartesian product A and B. So means any relation from the set A to the set B will be the subset of A cross B. What is A cross B? A cross B is the Cartesian product of the two sets. Yesterday we discussed about the Cartesian product. Now the subset is describing a relationship between the first element and the second element of the ordered pair in A cross B. What is the meaning of this line? When we form the Cartesian product, we get the set of all the ordered pairs. Now, the first element of the ordered pair will be having any relation with the second element of the ordered pair. That will be the particular relation from A to B. The second element is called the image of the first element in the ordered pair. Now, the set of all the first elements of the ordered pair in relation R from set A to the set B is called domain. What is domain? Those elements of the set A which will be involved in the relation R, that set of the elements is called domain of the relation R. You having some few definitions, then note it down, then read it again and again, then start the questions. You should be clear what is the relation, what is the domain, what is the range, what is the codomain. तो रेंज क्या थी? दोज एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द सेट बी, सेकेंड सेट्स के जो भी एलिमेंट्स होंगे विच विल बी इन्वॉल्व इन द रिलेशन, द सेट ऑफ दोज एलिमेंट्स विल बी द रेंज ऑफ दैट रिलेशन. नाउ द होल सेट बी इज कॉल्ड कोडोमेन. जो बी सेट होगा ऑर्डर्ड पेयर का, वो सारे के सारे एलिमेंट्स किस में कहेंगे? कोडोमेन में. कोडोमेन इज द सेट ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द सेट बी. सेकंड सेट के जितने भी सारे एलिमेंट्स होंगे वो क्या होंगे? कोडोमेन ऑफ द रिलेशन आर. तो देयर आर थ्री टर्म्स: डोमेन, रेंज एंड कोडोमेन. व्हाट इज डोमेन? दोज एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द सेट ए which are involved in the relation, that is the domain. And those sets of the elements of the set B which are involved in the relation, that will be range. And the elements of the set B, that is all the elements of B, that is codomain. We can say the second set B will always be the codomain of the relation R. It means we can say रेंज इज ऑलवेज द सबसेट ऑफ द कोडोमेन. जो रेंज होगी वो कोडोमेन का सबसेट होगी, क्योंकि बी सेट के एलिमेंट्स ही रेंज में आएंगे और पूरा बी सेट क्या होगा? कोडोमेन. और रेंज क्या होगी? जो एलिमेंट्स इन्वॉल्व होंगे रिलेशन में वो बी से लेंगे. तो बी के जो रेंज के जो एलिमेंट्स आएंगे वो हमेशा ही कोडोमेन का सबसेट होंगे. Next, a relation may be represented algebraically either by roster form or by set builder form. जैसे हमने set को दो फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट किया था, roster form and set builder form. So the relation will also be represented in both ways, by set builder form as well as in roster form. And arrow diagram is the visual representation of the relation. We also form the arrow diagram to show the relation. Now I will take example to clear all these terms. Now consider two sets. The first set having elements A, B, C. There are 3 elements in the set P. Q having 5 elements, set of the names of the few persons: Ali, Bhanu, Bittu, Chandar, Divya. There are 5 names in the set Q. Now first of all we form the Cartesian product of P and Q. We write P first, form the Cartesian product with Q. So means we taking the elements of the P first while forming the ordered pair. So first ordered pair will be, we write the first element of the P, it will be paired with the first element of the Q. So A comma Ali, it is the first ordered pair. Second will be A paired with Bhanu, A paired with Bittu, similarly A paired with Chandar, and A with Divya. Similarly, we taking the second element B, it will be paired with all the 5 elements. We get 5 remaining ordered pairs. Similarly, C will be paired with all these 5. So there will be C Ali, C Bhanu, C Chandar, C Bittu, C Divya. 5 elements with C, 5 ordered pair with B, 5 ordered pair with A. Total 15 ordered pairs will be there in the Cartesian product P cross Q. Yesterday we discussed the number of the elements of the Cartesian product P cross Q. First having 3 elements, second having 5 elements. So the total elements in the Cartesian product will be product of the number of the elements 15. 15 elements will be there. Elements of the Cartesian product will always be the ordered pair. So we can say 15 ordered pairs will be there. Now you having given a relation in the set builder form. What is the relation given? X comma y. It will be written in the form of the ordered pair. So x comma y such that X is the first letter of the name Y. That's the relation that is given. X क्या है? Y first letter है किसका? Y name का. X belongs to P. जो पहला एलिमेंट है ऑर्डर्ड पेयर का वो P में बिलोंग करता है. जो सेकंड ऑर्डर्ड पेयर का एलिमेंट है वो Q में बिलोंग करता है. That relation is given in the set builder form. Now you can convert this into roster form. So what is the meaning of this? You have to form the ordered pair. The X is the first letter of the name Y. So there were 15 ordered pairs. The first is A Ali. So that will be in the relation. A is the letter of the first letter of the name Ali. So it will be A comma Ali. Similarly, B with Bhanu. So B comma Bhanu. Small b. Similarly B with Bittu. बिट्टू का फर्स्ट अल्फ़ाबेट B, इसके साथ X B था तो B कोमा बिट्टू. एंड C कोमा चंदर. तो C जो फर्स्ट अल्फ़ाबेट था चंदर का. तो ये 4 ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स आ जाएंगे इस रिलेशन R में इन द रोस्टर फॉर्म. नाउ व्हाट विल बी द एरो डायग्राम? Arrow diagram of this relation, we write here, we make this you can form a circle like this, a closed curve. We write the elements A, B, C of the set P, and in the second closed curve we write all the elements of the set Q. 5 names: Ali, Bhanu, Bittu, Chandar, Divya. Now the arrow diagram, A having the relation with Ali, so we form a line with the arrow A with Ali. Similarly, B having relation with Bhanu and Bittu, so B से 2 लाइन्स आएंगी, Bhanu और Bittu पे दोनों के ऊपर एरो आएंगे. दिस एरो डायग्राम. C किसके साथ था? चंद्र के साथ. तो C की रिलेशन चंद्र के साथ एक लाइन के साथ डिपिक्ट हो जाएगी, शो हो जाएगी. दिव्या कहीं भी इन्वॉल्व नहीं थी, एज इट इज रह जाएगा. तो इसमें कुछ एलिमेंट्स इसमें भी हो सकते हैं जिनकी कोई इमेज नहीं बनेगी, कोई रिलेशन में इन्वॉल्व नहीं होगा, वो भी एज इट इज पड़े रहेंगे. इस एग्जांपल में सारे के सारे इन्वॉल्व हो रहे थे. पी के बी में क्यू में जो है दिव्या रिलेशन में इन्वॉल्व नहीं थी. तो नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू डेफिनेशन ऑफ डोमेन, व्हाट इज द डोमेन? Those elements of the first set, here the first set was P, the elements of the set P which are involved in this relation. So here all three elements are involved in the relation, so that set of A, B, C will be the domain of this relation. Now range of the relation, what is the range? The range of the relation R will be the set of the elements from the second set. From second set means from Q, which are involved in this relation. The first four elements were involved in this relation, so that will be the range. So we form the set with Ali, Banu, Bittu, Chandar. That will be the range of the relation R. And codomain of the relation set, the second set will be the codomain. All the five elements, the second set Q, we can say Q will be the codomain of this relation R. You should be clear. Relation, then domain, range and codomain. Now I am taking another example. Now you having a set A with 6 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Define a relation R from A to A. इसी सेट किसी दूसरा सेट भी हमारा A ही बनेगा. A to A by up set builder form is given a ordered pair xy such that y means second element is equal to x plus 1, means 1 more than the first element. First element was x, second element is 1 more than the first element. That's the relation. Now we have to depict this relation using the arrow diagram, then write down the domain, range and codomain of the relation R. First of all, we convert this set builder form into roster form. So here second element is 1 more than the first, so we write the first element of the set A 1. तो y क्या हो जाएगा? 1 more, तो 1 इसमें ऐड करेंगे तो it will be 2. Similarly we taking 2, it will be 1 more than the first one, तो 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, then 6, 7 नहीं आएगा. Why? Because 7 not belongs to A. All the second elements of the ordered pair will also be from A. So we form these 5 ordered pairs. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. Now we show this with the arrow diagram. Make a closed curve. Write all the 6 elements. Then again second curve. All the 6 elements. Then one having image 2. So 1 related with 2 with this line with an arrow. Similarly 2 having image 3, 3 having image 4, 4 having 5, 5 having 6. तो 6 की कोई इमेज नहीं थी, एज इट इज रहेगा. 1 कहीं भी इन्वॉल्व नहीं हो रहा था सेकेंड सेट का, वो एज इट इज रहेगा. नाउ व्हाट इज डोमेन? अकॉर्डिंग टू डेफिनेशन, ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द सेट ए, फर्स्ट सेट विच आर इन्वॉल्व इन दिस रिलेशन. तो 6 इन्वॉल्व नहीं था, तो फर्स्ट 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, set of first 5 element, that will be the domain. Similarly range, the set range from the set second will always be from the set second, which the elements which are involved in this relation 2 to 6, 1 is not involved, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Codomain, second set will always be the codomain, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we can say A will be the codomain. Now I think it should be clear to all of you. Now here see, range is always the subset of the codomain. इसके सारे के सारे एलिमेंट्स इसमें होंगे श्योर, क्योंकि B में से ही लेते हैं रेंज के, तो B range will always be the subset of the codomain. Similarly I am taking the next example. If you having a set A with element 1, 2, B having element 3, 4, now find the number of the relations. How many relations from A to B will be there? What will be the number of the relation? So means the total number of the relation from A to B is the number of possible subset of A cross B. So A cross B means Cartesian product. It is a set, and how many subsets a set have? 2 raised to power n. In the last chapter, we discussed the number of the subsets 2 raised to power n. N is the number of the elements. And in the Cartesian product, how many elements will be there? P into Q. So means the number of the elements of the first set multiplied by the number of the elements of the second set, that gives you the number of the elements of the Cartesian product. The first set having 2 elements, second set also having 2 elements. So the number in the Cartesian product will be 2 into 2, 4. The number of the elements in the Cartesian product is 4. So how many subsets will be there? 2 raised to power 4. So that will be 16 subsets. 16 subset means 16 number of the relations will be there from A to B. That gives you the number of the relations. Now you can try exercise 2.2 of the NCERT book. Thank you.